guys, it's Lisa from Eat, Sleep, Craft, and Repeat. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to show you some of the spring decorations and Easter decorations that I have in my home, starting from the outside and kind of working our way in. Easter's almost here, it's this weekend, so I thought I'd take you on a little bit of a tour of some of the stuff that I have made for my house and show you. Some of the stuff that I will be showing you, I have made some DIY videos for, so if you're interested in anything else, like I said, most of the stuff, actually all of it, I've made myself. So if you have any questions, just let me know. There's my little doggy in the background. We'll see you guys next time. Okay, so I'm just in my daughter's room. It's a little messy, that's okay. But what I'm gonna show you is, since I've been doing all my crafts, well, I'm a huge crafty person anyways, but it's cute to see that she's getting inspired as well. So I'm just gonna give you a quick little view of some of the stuff that she has made, because I think it's so sweet. And I'm so proud of her that she's being creative herself and coming up with these cute ideas. So I'm just gonna show you.